Kuwuok Migori Nyakwara Mogodhi Mombasa. Moko kuom jonyuol mani kod jopuonjre sikunde yawuoyi ma Shimo la Tewa Mombasa ne jobago ng'anyo ka giseyo tend sikunno ewi duoko marach kod tiyo marach kod omenda mag skul. En wach ma kata kamano ne okwedi kod tend sikunno makoni moko kuom jonyuolgo chal ni mitiyo kod josiasa moko mani kod gombo mar yudo thuolo mopogore opogore mag tije sikunno. Joja oko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
En ng'anyo mane obagi gi moko kuom jonyuol mani kod nyithindo e sikundi yawuoyi ma Shimo la Tewa e kaunti ma Mombasa ka giseyo tend sikundno ewi wach duoko marach mag penj.
Aggregate tunaijua sisi tulioleta watoto ni watoto waliopita ndani ya KCPE ndani ya taifa letu sisi la Jamhuri la Kenya. It's 370 and above. Unfortunately, our sons wanacheza na D-, D+, na D aggregates.
Can you imagine juzi mtoto anatoka all the way from Taita Taveta. Amefika shule, ameambiwa hajanyoa vizuri, amefukuzwa shule around saa 11 jioni. Mtoto hameanyana, maybe hana hata relative maskini. Mpaka siku ya 3 mtoto hajajulikana yuko wapi.
If somebody checks on the miniscore, he might think so. But again, we need to look at the university entry. And 2022, 169 students at C+ and above. Last year, 2023, we had 213 students attaining a C+ and above. Clearly, that is an increment of students going to university from the previous years.
Jonyuol go ne bende oseyo tend sikundno kuom tiyo marach gomenda maromo shillings milion 5 manyocha gisolo manonego nyiew godo bas. Kata kamano, japuonj maduong' mar sikundno ne oyango ni board mane ong'ado ni tigo omenda no e chulo jopuonj mag board kaachiel kod jotich mamoko, to kata kamano lek mar nyiewo nyamburko no to pod nitiere.
Kuna milioni 5 ambayo sababu yake kubwa, hii milioni 5 ilikuwa ni kununua basi la shule. Ninavyokuambia, siku zimeenda, miezi imeenda, miaka imeenda, na basi lile mpaka leo halijanunuliwa na hatujapewa ripoti yoyote. Milioni 5 za hili basi zimeenda wapi?
5 million cannot afford a school bus. They were thinking of buying a van. And in the process of wanting to buy that one in 2020, the COVID-19 was a pandemic in this country. And we closed the school. And as from May, the school did not have funds to pay the workers. At that time, we were not getting any fees. The government was not remitting its part. And we met as an executive board, because even at that time we were told, don't have a meeting to pay those workers.
Oseyo jonyuol go kuom bago ng'anyo ma kamano kapok gisomo pach tend sikundno mar yango adieri mantiere.
Nakuomba, badilisha PTA yako, badilisha bodi yako, and your auditor, na huyo mwenzako hapo ndani. Tunataka system nzima iondoke.
I believe it is an witch hunt, because those people, they have not come to the school to seek redress. They should even have actually gone to the right channels, that is the ministry. I'm an employee.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.